What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, you know what we haven't talked about in a while? Apecoin. And someone asked me for a review yesterday in my live stream, and I wanted to do one yesterday, but I'm going to do the review today and break down why it could be something that really runs, the positives, the negatives, all of that stuff that we're seeing within this position going forward, and then also a prediction not only by me but also by another article, really just to get an outside perspective and not just my perspective here. So we're going to get into Apecoin. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. And if you guys are a fan of Shiba Inu, I have a Shiba Inu Discord link in the description where you guys can be a part of Shiba Inu community, and we can grow this thing to affect Shiba Inu in a big way, right? Not obviously Apecoin, but feel free to join that Discord if you guys are a fan of Shiba Inu. But anyways, with Apecoin, again, we saw all of this hype around Apecoin, right? It was the biggest thing, the next best thing since sliced bread. And we saw this coin, everything that was coming out with it, and how it connected so many people together, NFTs and all that stuff, and just driving so much hype. Literally within a day, you saw that they were going to be listed on Coinbase, going to be listed on FTX, going to be listed on Crypto.com, wherever they were listed. You could see that there were so many exchanges that they were going to be listed on. It was like 87 exchanges. And that's where all of the hype came from, because if everything's getting listed at once, it just creates so much hype around it and so much push for people to buy that coin, for people to do something with that coin. And I felt it as well as I started to see more and more tweets come out, more and more comments on the day that Apecoin was supposed to launch. It was definitely something that seemed like it was a game changer, and it was something completely different than what you see. Other coins, they launch on one platform, or they launch in a basic platform, and they work their way up to these platforms. They must have spent a crazy amount of money in order to get them launched on every single platform there, while also already giving out coins as well, and creating hype for a coin where you were giving out coins to people that were already invested in NFTs. So we knew that Apecoin was definitely something different, and that it was going to be something that ran because of the popularity. Cryptocurrency is about popularity. If you could build popularity from the start, then I mean, it's a win for you. It's just a win, right? So Apecoin, where's the current price? It's currently at $12.13. This is lower than where I bought in my Apecoin. I currently hold 51, but this is lower than where I bought in my Apecoin. My average is $13.60. I believe it might be a little bit lower, but it's somewhere around $13, I would say. And currently it's down. It's flat today. You're seeing the volume down 55%. So this is coming from the initial day that it launched. It had $10 billion in volume. And then the second day, half that volume. The third day, half that volume, right? You started to see it decrease in the amount of volume. One of these bullish days that we did see $1 billion in volume again. But now we're seeing $246 million in volume, which is way lower than where it was with 55. It's down 55% today. Now you can also see that 28% of the total supplies out there, this has not changed since the day of launch, which is really, really good. It means that they're not adding any coins into circulation. Now they do have a bunch of coins. That's a form of a concern. They do have a bunch of coins that will be released after a 12-month period. So make sure you keep that in mind when it comes to next year, because whenever it does come next year, I don't know the exact day from when Apecoin launched. Whenever it does come from 12 months from now, a lot of those coins will be released, which means that you're diluting the position. So before that does happen, I most likely will sell all of my coins, if not, just maybe 70% of the coins, because the price prediction that I believe where it's going to get to, I think we will see it pump up to a certain price. And I think you'll see a lot of people end up making moves from there. But we still have to look out for that dilution. And we can talk about that a little bit. But market cap right now is around a $3.3 billion market cap. Fully diluted market cap is a $12.1 or $12.2 billion market cap. So you look at the difference between these two, that's the form of dilution you can see over the years, right? Not just over 2022. I think 2022 will be fine. You're not releasing any coins until that 12-month period. But then after 12 months, you will definitely see this number increase, and it'll probably get to maybe 50% or 60% that's actually within circulation, not right from the start, but maybe in a 2-year process because they're releasing coins as the days go on. So month after month after month. But Apecoin is definitely something that I believe could make a huge move and going up to way higher price points. Now, my prediction for Apecoin for 2022 as a high point, right? I believe that we will see the $30 mark easily. I know throughout the chart history, I think we've only seen it's 16, 17 is what I saw in the past. But then in the initial, launch, and it started to sell off a little bit for people that held the NFTs. We understand you made your money. But then you obviously saw a jump from a low level of about $5 or $6 or so, up to that level of about 17 before increasing up to about 15 before decreasing again. So I do think we will see double that price point. I do think that we will see $30+ and that's my prediction because I definitely think this can run, but I think it will have a hard resistance at certain levels. And let's go into another prediction here. Just a quick prediction that we did see. So here's an Apecoin prediction for 2022 that comes from Analytics Insight. Like, how much will Apecoin be worth? So basically, they're saying they're hopeful that the price of Apecoin can increase marginally in the coming months. There is a good chance that Apecoin's price will increase to $51 by the end of 2022. Now, that is saying something. Getting to $51, $49 or $48 is probably going to be a hard resistance for Apecoin. I mean, an insanely hard resistance for Apecoin if it does get up to that point. So for me, I don't think it will get to $51. I think, and if it does, I'm insanely happy. If it goes way past $51, I'm happy because I'm invested into it and I have 51 coins. If it gets to $51, that'll be pretty good. But I don't think it will get to $51. I think that if it's going to get close to that level, that it will resist hard from 48, and we'll have to find a bounce then. But I'm thinking $30, a little bit over $30, maybe closer to 35 before it does resist. That's my prediction. Just because the way that I'm reading the chart, the way that I'm reading the investors, the way that I'm reading a lot of the traders as well, it looks like you're seeing hard resistance points and not just like quick resistance to where you have an increase creates a higher low, increase creates a higher low. We're not seeing that yet. And we haven't seen a bull run within Apecoin, since it's been launched. So maybe we will see something like that. You never know how a coin's going to move, especially since the latest bull run, right? So Apecoin, I think, is going to be big. I like Apecoin. I'm holding 51 Apecoins somewhere here. If we get to it, I don't even know where it is. There it is. I'm holding 51.158 Apecoin, and that price is not right. Let's refresh this and get an accurate price. So there we go. Apecoin at $12.15. We are at $621 worth of value. So I'm holding my Apecoin. I love what they're doing, and I think we will see something pretty big this year in 2022. It's just a matter of time when you see everything really start to run in the crypto market. Understand that institutions are starting to have a huge role in cryptocurrency now, so a lot of times it's following the stock market. But anyways, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Let me know what you think about Apecoin. Do you think these predictions are accurate? Which one do you think is closer? Do you think the 35 mark is going to be something that we resist hard from, or do you think the 51 mark? Do you think that we actually will get to 51, or do you think that we will resist before 50? Let me know your opinion. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I will catch you guys in the next video.